you know I don't pull out when we loving. Touching and kissing and licking. No one's leaving your panties or something now. In my car, in my crib, I'm shining with this gold grill. I could give a what, how you feel. That booty and them toddlers on the rim. Take a ride in my block, my.
What's up? What's up, M&G gang? Ew, you ugly. Mannie look like he about to go, you know what he about to look like? He look like those people that run marathons. That be on the bikes. That's what they be wearing. That's all they wear. And it be like freaking freezing outside and they got a headband and some gloves on.
No, you don't.
So anywho,
what up, gang?
what's up? It's been a while.
What is that?
What is what? This beautiful face.
Nah, I see it right here. I'm talking about what.
Oh, okay. What is what though?
What is that? That thing, yeah, big ass thing on your phone.
Yo, this makes my my outfit of the day pictures so much better. You guys don't even understand.
What is it?
It's a fisheye lens. Look.
I mean,
Look how big you can see the area. You see that? And now look. Boom.
What was the difference?
Look how big it just made it. But you have to position it right. All you got to do is push it over the camera, and there you go. And look how big. Before it was just showing the fireplace. Now you can see that, all this in the background. Like, look.
I don't.
That looks so cool, right?
What? Okay, do it again.
All right. So this is the after. Look at the before. See? It made that. It's like it opens. It's a fisheye lens. It opens the room. And this is also
where did you get what is it?
You guys can see a better view. This is from Bullseye, and I think if you follow me on Snapchat, I got this package like what 3 days ago, and I really been loving it. It's great for photography. It does not diminish the quality on the camera, which is awesome. Like, it doesn't even mess up or anything. It has a micro lens as well. You can take this lens on front off, and it has the micro underneath. So if you're into photography, especially if you're a YouTuber, an upcoming YouTuber, have a small channel, don't have a camera or anything, you can use your phone, because this kind of makes your surroundings a little bit bigger, where it's kind of like it looks high quality. And just for your FYI, if you do have an iPhone, I don't know if you know this, but you do have 4K on your iPhone. You can change that in your settings, which is cool. So yeah, I really like it, and it comes with a cap as well, just like as my camera that you guys have seen here on.
So it's like a lens that
you
can attach.
Yeah, you can attach to your phone. And I didn't get Mannie one, so I don't know if you like it, but I like taking pictures and stuff, so I wanted to kind of like broaden the area when I be taking pictures. It kind of gets like the whole panorama view, instead of you having like a landscape. I have like a portrait mode.
So if you want
really,
so if you want this, go where?
I'll put the link there if you guys do want it. I'll just put the link down below.
I just want to change the subject. So you're gonna just
link in bio.
Link in bio for this.
Baby, you know I don't pull out when we loving. Touching and kissing and licking. No one's leaving your panties or something now. In my car, in my crib, I'm shining with this gold grill.